Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on because I got a little package in the mail today of a sticker order that I made last week, and this is from Ureshii Cupcake, and she has a Patricia has a shop on Etsy. So if you've never seen her stickers, she actually does custom stickers for me. So I think you're gonna love the look of these. And Greg wears hearing aids, and it is so hard. He has to change the batteries in his hearing aids probably every 5 to 6 days. So he has to keep track of it so that he knows when to take his batteries with him. So Patricia made me some custom stickers for his hearing aid batteries, and he uses them religiously. And I wanted to show you them. And it just says change the battery so that he knows, he puts it on whenever he changed it, and then he knows kind of how many days until he needs to replace that battery. So I picked up two of, and this is her Ureshii Cupcake. That is her little icon, but I will link her page down below, and she also has a Facebook group called Ureshii Cupcake. But these are his change hearing aid batteries that she makes for me. And then she did some custom, I am now selling Lime Life, and I will leave the link to that down below, but it's beauty products and makeup. So she made these super cute Lime Life makeup and little icons so that I can use these in my planner. Ureshii Cupcake has absolutely amazing quality of sticker paper, never a problem. She also does custom for me my mystery shopping, and so I picked up some of those. They're just super cute. And then I also ordered her March monthly kit, and it is another super cute. She has a lot of icons, the date dots. You get some half boxes or full boxes. You get some checklist. You get your date covers. You get plenty of boxes and flags. And then you get some more washi strips, some more boxes, and some deco down at the bottom. But super cute. You can't go wrong with Ureshii Cupcake, and she will make whatever stickers you are looking for. She makes them custom, and I have been so happy with all the work that she has done for me. So if you are looking, be sure and check out Ureshii Cupcake on Etsy and also her Facebook group. She's a great gal and will not do you wrong. So that is my quick haul. Now I am on to tear apart my Happy Planner sticker books and get started with organizing those. And I'll be back with an update on those and kind of show you how I'm organizing, what I'm doing, and in case you would like to also do the same. So everyone have a wonderful week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner video.